Hey, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a thought-provoking topic that challenges the conventional wisdom of our society. We are going to discuss why you should never work solely for money. So grab a seat, stay tuned, and let's dive right in. Most people grow up with the belief that success is synonymous with financial wealth. We are conditioned to think that the primary purpose of work is to make money, and the more money we make, the happier and more successful we'll be. But is that really true? Here's the thing. Working solely for money can lead to a number of negative consequences. Let's explore a few reasons why you should reconsider this approach. Reason number one, lack of fulfillment. Money, while important, often fails to provide true fulfillment and purpose in our lives. If you're solely focused on chasing a paycheck, you may find yourself trapped in a job that brings you no joy or satisfaction. Your work becomes nothing more than a means to an end, and it's easy to feel empty and unfulfilled. On the other hand, when you prioritize meaningful work that aligns with your passions, values, and interests, you will experience a sense of fulfillment that goes beyond money. You'll wake up excited to tackle the day, knowing that your work has a positive impact and brings you personal satisfaction. Reason number two, burnout and stress. Working solely for money can also lead to burnout and chronic stress. When the primary motivation behind your work is financial gain, you may find yourself sacrificing your well-being, personal relationships, and even your mental and physical health. Constantly pushing yourself to the limits and disregarding your own well-being in the pursuit of money can have severe consequences. It's important to find a balance between work and personal life, prioritizing self-care and overall well-being. Reason number three, limited growth and development. Another downside of focusing solely on money is that it limits your growth and development. If you're working only for a paycheck, you may be inclined to stick to a job that offers financial security but provides little room for personal and professional growth. True growth comes from taking risks, stepping out of your comfort zone, and pursuing opportunities that align with your long-term goals and aspirations. By seeking growth-oriented work, you open doors to new experiences, skills, and knowledge, which can ultimately lead to greater success and fulfillment in the long run. So, while money is undoubtedly important, it shouldn't be the sole driving force behind your work. By prioritizing fulfillment, well-being, and personal growth, you can create a more meaningful and rewarding career. Remember, true success comes when you find purpose in what you do and make a positive impact in the lives of others.